Hello everyone, and this is how I did my beautiful gold key. First of all, I sketched this beautiful design and started making it out in 3D form with paper. And this is how I started, with some gold pieces of paper. Then I rolled up one of the pieces for the bottom part with my number 2 pencil. So I keep rolling and rolling, and eventually it'll be a cylindrical shape for the bottom part of the key. I drew a circle on top of the other part of the key with the other part of the piece of paper as shown here. And then you glue it together, of course. Then I decided to cut the other smaller pieces and keep gluing and gluing to closest to my sketch as possible. And you can add and delete some stuff and see how it is, but before gluing you have to check on the style and the design as closest as possible. Also, I can't forget my little cute skull that I drew with the key. Then I added a little more of the gold paper and keep cutting the shape into the style of the rose. And then I started gluing, and eventually keep repeating the process over with the key, and voila, the key is finished. It doesn't have to be my style, it could be your style. You can draw anything you want and create whatever you want. That's the fun part. Creativity is the key. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.